If you've tried to move the canvas in Blender and you haven't been able to get things to move, then you understand how frustrating this can be. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you the easy steps to not only control how to move the canvas, how to move the objects on the canvas, but how to understand that. So I'm going to pop up a panel here on the screen, and the first way that we're going to move is with the middle mouse button. This is the default method of moving. This is just the middle mouse button. Hold it down and move your mouse pointer around the screen. Now if you want to zoom in, middle mouse button plus control is going to allow you to zoom, and middle mouse button plus shift is going to pan the screen. Now there's another way to move around the screen. I'm going to show that to you right now. We go to Edit, Preferences. In Input, we have Emulate 3-button mouse. I keep this on because it allows us to do a couple other navigation methods. And in Navigation, Orbit Around Selection and Trackball are my two preferences. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. So here, if I press the Alt key, I can use my stylus on the screen to rotate an object. If I add Shift, I can pan the canvas. If I add Control, I can zoom in and out. Now if I start rotating the canvas and it's rotating, pivoting from a spot that I don't want to be pivoting from, I can tap with my stylus on the screen or with the mouse, and this will now rotate from that point. This is very helpful. You can also use the numpad keys to switch between different viewpoints, and 0 is going to reset us back to the starting position that we started on. You can do some of these things over here. Zooming in and out right here on the zoom icon, panning on the hand icon, and resetting with the camera icon. If you found this useful and you want to learn more about Blender, please subscribe to this channel. Until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.